Primo just got one. Y el homie también. See what he's got.
That fuck up. There he comes.
I know that net really pisses me off.
Right?
Oh man. You know, take it easy, bro. Take it easy, bro. Take it easy, bro. Fucking A, dude. That's a fucking big motherfucker. Be careful with that, bro. So you don't. Bring him up. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? Hey, bro. I don't know if I should have brought you to my spot, bro. Hold on, Primo. Hold on. Take it easy with that. Get him right to it. I know that fucking. Be careful. Oh my god, dude. That's a fucking. Hey, that's a fucking jumbo, bro.
I can't get them.
Grab him from the gill. Oh my god, dude.
Nice. Nice.
Hey, bro. That's a fucking. That's a fucking monster, bro.
That was too small. I couldn't get him in there.
Hey, bro.